is May Chug sleeping.
I'm tired. Someone give me a roofie.
Ain't a rape gift
I
to
need
go
a
along.
rape gift. Amber, tag me. We're not with you yet. Because we're still home. Sleeping.
Sleeping. Bye, Trey.
What?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, I was like...
Hey, Derek.
Hi.
And we're back.
And we're back.
You're on the air. Do you have anything to say?
This rice is good.
What kind of rice is it?
Pork fried rice.
Pork fried rice.
I don't appreciate this right now.
Why?
The light doesn't look too flattering.
That's all you have to say?
Yeah. I'm just waiting to go to the bowl.
Is he playing Lana Del Rey?
John's in the bathroom singing to Lana Del Rey. I think he's taking a shit. There's underwear.
He's coming.
It's the first day of Hanukkah.
Is that your new mirror?
Yeah, I need a mirror.
Here you go.
I need a mirror.
So Long Island. Don't do it. There's a bomb in there! Oh, damn.
Not for a bomb. You were going to say something else.
There was a picture
I died.
on Instagram of them cooking and like Mariah Carey was behind him and they're like,
Oh my god.
it was hysterical. He was like a true ass bottom. Ex bottom 69. No, Derek, no. This is all your fault.
Shut up. What? I'm ready to go. I'll go right
Yeah, you look so ready to go.
I'll go just like this.
I'm freezing.
Because there's no alcohol in nobody's system.
What?
If I give you a pineapple, would you wake up? I can't wait to edit this because it's going to be like you just laying down, but then the next scene is going to be like you on like falling on your face drunk. Alright, we have a commercial break. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
You really have to say that?
Oh,